How to make a Capricorn man fall in love with a Virgo woman. Understanding how to make a Capricorn man fall in love with a Virgo woman begins with recognizing the natural harmony between these two earth signs. Both value loyalty, stability, and purpose. When they meet, their connection often feels calm yet deeply meaningful. To capture his heart, a Virgo woman must balance intellect, patience, and sincerity. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Show genuine support for his goals. A Capricorn man admires ambition and perseverance. He respects a Virgo woman who understands his long-term dreams and supports his path. Encourage him subtly, not by grand praise, but through steady reassurance and practical help. 2. Keep emotions grounded. Capricorns value emotional control. Instead of dramatic expressions, show affection through reliability and calm understanding. A Virgo's gentle composure creates the emotional safety he needs to open up over time. 3. Communicate with clarity and warmth. Both signs appreciate honesty. Express thoughts clearly, avoid unnecessary conflict, and show that you listen with intention. The Capricorn man is drawn to meaningful, thoughtful dialogue, something Virgo excels at naturally. 4. Share his vision of stability. To make a Capricorn man fall in love, align with his vision of a secure and disciplined future. Demonstrate responsibility in your own life. He will see you as a true partner who values the same steady rhythm he does. 5. Appreciate his efforts. He may not always voice affection openly, but his loyalty and dedication are constant. Notice his consistency and thank him for it. A Virgo woman's appreciation reinforces his emotional confidence. The bond between a Capricorn man and Virgo woman grows through patience and mutual respect. When she supports his ambitions, communicates honestly, and mirrors his sense of stability, love naturally follows. Their relationship becomes a balanced partnership, rooted in trust, strengthened by shared values, and destined for lasting harmony. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.